Hello everyone, welcome to Prissy Mallus. Today we are going to install a full-size Starlight night vision video camera, front, back and a reverse camera. Everything comes in this one package. So this is the one. We got this from AliExpress. We will provide the link in the description. This has got an HD video recording, an HD display with a 170-degree wide angle. It has got loop recording and voice recording, built-in sound, and this is a 24-hour power supply that we bought additionally from AliExpress. The front camera comes along in the mirror itself, so you don't have to have a separate front camera, and this is the back camera. So once you put on reverse, the car on reverse, it automatically switches to the back camera, which also has recording. So we are going to install this in a Nissan Pulsar. So let's see how it goes. So these are the parts that we got along with this camera: the wires for connection, the lighter charger, and this is an SD card reader. We did not get an SD card, so you might have to buy that separately.
Okay, so the first thing we need to locate the fuse box. So fuse box comes in the passenger side, so we just need to remove this cover here. So just remove the cover here and then the fuse box is located here. Okay, so this is a fuse box, and then located one empty. So just check this is the perfect for that one. So I just connected the fuse, the power box there, and then the ground is connected to the nut over here, and then the device is connected here. So this is supposed to cut off at 11.6 volt, but we observe that this is not working as expected. So if you are not driving the car so often, then it means you have to disconnect the camera, otherwise your battery will drain. So be careful on that one. So this is never going to be perfect. Okay, so this goes all the way from here to the sender location. So here is what we are actually going to connect the mirror. So we took all the wires here. So this is the reverse cam wire, and this is a power cable. So we are going to now mount the unit there. Okay, so this is the unit. If you see the camera, it has got a front cam, so it will record all the time, 24 hours recording. So you can actually push this camera to extend if you want, and then it has got two ties. So this is the tie, so you just keep here. So I'm just going to tie this. Okay, so the one side is done.
So we are going to place the rear camera and the reverse camera. We will have to remove this panel. The wire will be coming from here, from the front to here, and then we'll remove this panel and we'll be giving the camera in here on top of the number plate. So we have bought the wire from the front to these panels through here, and it goes in here inside this, and then we have to remove this panel. So you just have to pull it out, and then the wire comes here and inside this, and just remove. There's a panel here, just remove that, and we will be connecting the camera somewhere here. We'll be connecting the camera here. So you might have to drill a hole there to put the camera. So we are finished fixing the front camera which comes with the mirror and the reverse camera. You have multiple options to see. So if you scroll, you have multiple options, multiple camera views. And if you go to the settings, you can change the streaming photo quality and other settings. So this is the front view, the reverse camera view. You can have both views together. Once you put the car in the reverse, automatically the camera would switch to the reverse camera. So now you can see both the views. I'm putting the car into the reverse mode, and you can see the reverse camera with the parking lines. Go back to the parking mode, then you can see both the front camera and the reverse camera. And as I said, you could also change the settings. You probably will have to adjust the angle of the camera in the reverse camera, to make sure that you cover all the angles. This is the front camera, so where you get all the front visuals. So if I cover it, you can see, and I'll show you where we have put the reverse camera. So this is where we have put the reverse camera. As I said, you might have to adjust the angle to get the right angle. And you could see it from here. So thanks everyone, thanks for watching Brizzy Mallus. For more videos, please subscribe and share and like. Keep supporting us. We'll see you next time with a new video. Thank you.